Sir.
No, ma'am. Nothing.
Okay, only Abdullah is keeping his camera on. Means if I don't keep it on, there is some reason. That is why I'm not keeping it on.
My camera is there.
So you can keep it on. Okay, algebraic expressions के some questions I'm going to give you in MCQ form. ठीक है? Last time we didn't do MCQ के algebraic expression के MCQ questions. So today I'm going to share screen and give you MCQs on algebraic expression. Okay. Okay, first question. Quickly we'll do. Okay. Algebraic expression containing 3 terms is called?
Trinomial.
Correct. Trinomial. Number of terms in the expression this is?
4.
Correct. The terms of expressions this
4.
are?
Ma'am,
What are the
two.
terms?
Two,
No,
two.
number
Two,
is not R. Number
4x
is not R.
square
4x
and
square
and minus
4x
3xy.
square and
And minus
3xy.
3xy.
Correct. 4x
A.
square and minus 3x square.
Option A.
3xy. Factors of minus 5x square, y square, z are?
Factors of minus 5x square, y square,
Ma'am,
and
minus 5 into x square into y square into z.
Into Z.
Ma'am,
Option
ma'am, C.
Option
Option
B.
Factors are only
C.
5x.
C, ma'am, C.
Which one? This
C,
way
C.
we write, na? Yeah, C.
Yes.
Minus 5 into x into x into y into y into z. No, if they ask factors, how do we write factors? Factors तो सिर्फ ये होता है.
It will be A.
ठीक है? Factors ये है. This is prime factorization. Prime. This is what do we write in factors? ऐसे करके लिखते हैं ना?
हाँ, yes.
Remember prime number का कैसे निकालते हैं? Same way. So factors are this only, minus 5, x, y, and z. A answer. Okay.
Ma'am, this B.
Coefficient of x in?
Ma'am,
minus
minus 9. Minus 9.
Ma'am, minus.
Minus
Ma'am,
9.
minus
Minus
9
9 and
is
Z.
minus 9 y
Minus 9 is not the option to give other answer.
Ma'am,
Minus
D,
9
ma'am,
y,
D, ma'am,
minus
D,
9 y
D,
square
D,
z.
D. Ma'am, but
Wrong.
D, ma'am, D.
Ma'am,
Minus
D.
9 y. Yes, minus 9 y square z.
Ma'am, but where is X? Where is X? अरे X का कोएफिशिएंट निकालना
X
है.
का coefficient में x will not be there.
अच्छा.
Which of the following is a pair of like terms?
The pair of right terms.
Just tell me A, B, C, D, and what option?
Ma'am, B. B.
B, ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B.
Identify the binomial out of the following.
Ma'am, B. C.
C1.
Ma'am, 6 का how is she the like term, ma'am? C. All are binomial, no.
B. 6 का B is the answer. 7th का answer tell me.
Answer identify the
Ma'am, binomial means 2
binomial.
terms, na, but all
Correct.
are having 3 terms.
So you simplify one of them, you can simplify and make it 2 terms. Just see.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option
B.
B. Option B.
B.
Option B.
B, ma'am, B. Ma'am, B, ma'am,
Option
B.
B.
B, ma'am, B. I'm C. I'm
B.
C because all are binomial. C, ma'am, yeah, C.
Just a moment.
Ma'am, B.
Identify.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, B.
B.
X square y is,
What about B?
there are 2 x.
Sorry, what about D?
B, 3xy square, xy square. Yes, ma'am, B and D both are possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are. Okay. This is not. So these two are not binomial. These two are. Why? What is the actual binomial over here? No, 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 this is not a binomial. See, it is not only one. This is not a binomial. X square y minus 5y minus x square y. Okay, this cancel out plus and minus. So this is a monomial. And this is
It's a
what?
monomial. B1 is only.
B is monomial. D is the answer. 3xy square minus xy square. It's 2xy square
Okay.
plus 5y. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this is not only D is the answer. So you have to solve the questions and see. The sum of x raised to 4 this and this is, बताओ क्या है? Solve it and then see the options, which one is correct.
Ma'am, it's only monomial.
हाँ,
Y.
monomial two options में. Monomial and polynomial in y, monomial and polynomial in x.
Ma'am, A is the answer.
Yes. So what is actual answer? 4y square, right? When you
Yes,
add,
4y square is the answer because
so it is a monomial and polynomial in y. Okay, is it clear? The fraction of 5 times of y from x is how much? Question number 9.
Ma'am, x minus 5y.
C is the correct option. From x you have to subtract x
Ma'am,
minus.
I got the answer to. I got the answer to x
We don't have to
raised to
find the
4
answer. We have
plus
to frame
4.
the question.
Not for this, the before the 8th one.
Array,
Ma'am,
add
how
the
did you
array.
get?
X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 cancel. ये plus करेंगे. Minus xy plus xy cancel.
Cancel, yes.
Plus 2y square plus 2y square. Only 4y square. Okay. Tell me. Next one done. X minus 5y is the correct answer. Minus b minus 0 is equal to.
A, ma'am.
Very good. Minus b minus 0 is equal to minus b. Now here if you say and see, answer is minus b. Here answer is 1 minus b. Here answer is plus b. And here answer is minus b minus 1. So which one is the correct answer? Minus b. So A, here we are getting minus b. Okay, so A is the correct answer. The side length of the top of the square table is x. Expression for perimeter is. Tell me, what is the perimeter?
4x. 4x, ma'am.
4 plus
4x.
Correct. The number of scarves of length half meter that can be made from y meters of cloth is.
Y by 2. Y by 2, ma'am. Y by 2.
Number of length of half, the number of scarves of length half meter.
D y
Ma'am,
plus
y
half.
plus
Y
1
plus
1 by 2.
y plus 1 upon 2.
Y plus 1 by 2.
See, the number you have to find out. Length of half meter, okay, made from y meter cloths. So y meter upon 1 by 2. Understood? Y divided by 1 by 2 will give you y into 2. So answer is 2y. Is it clear?
2y.
This is a bigger
Ma'am.
length. This is half meter. How many you will see? If it is question 10 meter length may, if you have to make 2 meters case scarf. So how many scarves will be made? 10 divided by 2. So 5 scarves will be made. Same way here we have done y upon half meter. So half is 1 by 2 because it is fraction. So we'll do the reciprocal. This one.
Ma'am, the answer is option B.
A, 2y.
Okay.
2y we got, na?
Ma'am, for the 13th one, the answer is D.
Ma'am, 13th answer is D, ma'am.
D.
13th
ma'am,
one,
D.
this much is a like term of x square y,
D.
x square y. x square y किधर है? ये, हाँ, correct,
D,
D.
ma'am.
The value of this when x is equal to 1 is, find out.
1, ma'am, 1.
Eh?
Ma'am, 1.
1 कैसे? Solve it, Anas. Three minus 5 plus 3. हाँ, correct answer.
Ma'am,
Correct
1
answer.
only. It
Yeah,
is
1
1
only.
only.
Correct. So you have to be confident and say, ma'am, it is 1 only. Okay. I will get to know the answer only when I calculate.
How, ma'am, it is 1, ma'am?
How it is 1? You
3x
will 10
square
and
minus 5x.
3 into 1 square
1
minus
square
5
is 1
into
only.
1 plus 3. 1 square is 1 only.
3 into 1, ma'am. 3 and
Plus
minus
3 and plus 3 is 6. Okay.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Okay, the expression for the number of diagonals that we can make from one vertex of n side. Let it be. Leave this question. इतना दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. Okay, the length of side. ये try करो. Length of a side of a square is given as this. Which expression represents the perimeter of the square?
I'm
Find
option
out.
C.
Ma'am, D, ma'am, D. Ma'am, D.
No, option D.
D, ma'am, D. D, ma'am, D.
Ma'am, D, ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am, D,
Correct.
ma'am, D.
I'm option D.
Was
Option
4
D.
times of the side. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, multiply by
4 side of the
8x
yes,
plus
8x plus 12.
Sum or difference of two like terms is
Ma'am, the sign.
like term. It will be like term only, na? Because you can subtract or add like term only and you will get a like term only. In the form area, the numerical constant of expression pi r square is numerical coefficient is what?
I'm of what number?
Of what number, ma'am?
Pi is a number. It is pi. Pi is a number. Pi की value होती है 22/7. Okay.
22/7 upon 2.
Upon a into r square. So in this expression, numerical coefficient is 22/7. Okay, 3a square and minus 7ba
Ma'am, this
square.
kind of question will come in
Unlike terms.
ma'am.
Unlike terms.
Like term.
I have taught you now. Why can't it come?
Ma'am, you have not told.
Ma'am, you
Abhi-
have not taught.
Abhi, just now I taught.
Acha,
Just
that-
now I told.
Ma'am, but what is r square then? R square and then
Radius. You will not get the formula. Everything is given. Radius
And
of
then
a circle is r.
coefficient, then how will you have to tell us that coefficient, किसका coefficient निकालना है? R
R
का.
का coefficient ना.
It wasn't
ठीक है.
written in here.
Ma'am, R का coefficient is that
Numerical
from
is
Ajit
written
sir.
ना. Numerical means number होना चाहिए. Okay. Coefficient लिखेगा तो you have to say with variable also. Okay. Tell me.
Ma'am, R's coefficient will be this sine and square, na?
Pi. It is called as pi.
R.
ठीक है. See, when I say कि this question will not come, you will not learn. So that is why I don't tell for any question that it will not come. Anything I am teaching is for your learning. You have to understand. Okay. Tell me, 3a square b and minus 7b.
Like
Unlike
terms.
terms.
Like term.
Like terms.
Like terms.
Are these
Unlike
like terms?
terms. Unlike terms.
Unlike terms.
Unlike terms.
In expression 2 pi r, the algebraic variable What
Ma'am,
is algebraic?
Ma'am,
Correct.
how is 19th question like term? It is unlike no -7 and +3.
Number पे नहीं depend करता है. Depends on the variable like and unlike. 3y and 7y. These are like terms.
Ma'am,
3x
I guess the 20th question is also
and
like term.
minus 9x square. These are also like terms. Your variable should be same. Is it clear, Munir?
But in this one it is a square b, and in this one it is b a square.
It is same only na.
It is same
Commutative.
अच्छा हाँ ये commutative process.
कम्यूटेटिव को भूल क्यों जाते हो? कम्यूटेटिव, एसोसिएटिव, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव जान है मैथ्स की. इन द एक्सप्रेशन, ओके, ये तो कर लिया. अलजेब्राइक वेरिएबल r है. नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन मोनोमियल कितने होते हैं?
1 ma'am, 1. 2.
1.
So mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3.
Tri means 3 and poly means 3 or more than
more than 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, means
there is
1, 2 and 3
quadrinomial.
all come in poly.
Ma'am, there is quadrinomial also.
Quadrinomial?
Yes.
Yes ma'am, that will be 4 and then
Polynomial. It is polynomial.
5.
Quadratic equation is there. Quadratic expression. That is different. This is different. This is when the degree is 2. Means x square ka power aa jayega, then it is quadratic. When you have 1 power, it is linear. Bataya tha na? When the degree of the equation, maximum degree is 2, it is called as quadratic. When the degree of variable, maximum variable is 1, so it is linear. Okay? और 3 होगा तो क्यूबिक होता है. Like number of terms in a monomial हो गया. Like terms in the expression this are. अभी निकालो पहले तो simplify करो and then see what are the like terms. Simplify first.
Ma'am, n is a like term and
Like term में दो साथ में बोलना पड़ेगा ना. You have to speak two together, 2 or 3 together.
n and 1.
N and 1
Ma'am,
get.
for the first bracket
Did you
is
solve?
n square.
Anyone has
plus n.
solved? Yes. I told you to solve, na. N
Ma'am,
square
2n plus 1,
plus 6n minus 6. So what are the like
6n
terms?
minus 6. 6n minus 6.
No, like terms.
Ma'am, so
say.
Ma'am, like terms n and 6n and
Ma'am,
Yes.
n and 6n होगा.
Correct. N and 6n are like terms. Okay. Expression 13 plus 90 is a. It is a constant. You don't have any variable. 30 plus 90, you will get one answer. Number mein. So it is a constant. Speed of the car is 55 kilometers per hour. Distance covered in y hour is. You know, speed. Science mein we have not done motion chapter. We'll study there. Speed is equal to distance upon time hota hai formula. Okay. So distance is equal to speed into time.
55 divided by 60.
Speed into time. Speed into time. Okay. So
Okay.
speed is 55 and time
Into
is y.
60.
Into y bola na, y.
Ma'am,
y
it is given
55
per hour, na.
हाँ, तो speed is
55
given in kilometer per hour. Unit है speed का.
55
And y.
y.
Yes,
55
answer
y.
is 55 y.
Ma'am, that is the
That is the
Distance.
distance covered in y hours. In kilometers, okay? Answer will be in kilometers. Why? क्योंकि हमने क्या किया इधर किलोमीटर अपॉन आवर into 2 into y hour. Hour ऊपर नीचे कैंसल, आंसर आ गया 55
y.
kilometers. Unit will be in kilometers. X plus y plus z is an expression which is neither monomial nor
Binomial.
Binomial.
Nor binomial.
correct. It is a trinomial.
Yes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
if
that is
this
x plus u, ma'am. U.
y plus z है, y print चला गया है. X square y, this is subtracted from this, then coefficient of y in the result is, first of all subtract and then see. From क्या है?
Ma'am, the answer is 2x square, 2x square plus y square plus 2.
3x square y plus 2y square plus 5
2x
मिलके we have
plus
plus
8, ma'am.
x
Square
square
plus square y plus y
plus
square
y
plus
square
8.
plus 3, sign change, sign opposite. So what do we get? 3 minus 1 is 2x square y plus y square
Plus
plus
3y
square.
what is the coefficient of y over here? What is the coefficient of y?
Ma'am, 2x.
2x square y.
2x square.
Only 2x square. Coefficient of y पूछेंगे तो y will not be there in the expression.
Ma'am, but there is another y also, तो उसका square होगा ना? Plus y square का.
This is y square. This is not y.
Oh,
This
अच्छा.
is y square. They have not
Ma'am,
asked you y
2x square y plus y square plus 2.
But question is coefficient of y they have asked. So coefficient of y is 2x square. It will not come. This is y square variable. Okay, minus a minus b minus c is same as minus a minus
C minus b.
minus b plus c. Bracket डाला हुआ है यहाँ पे. Right? If you open the bracket, this minus enters inside and both of them have minus sign. So inside the bracket, it is b plus c. Take out minus common, it is opposite sign b plus c. Unlike terms in perimeter, of following figures are. What are the unlike terms? Ek karo, first question.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
unlike
y
terms
and
are
2x,
y
ma'am,
and
y
2x
and 2x.
and
y
y
and
square and x.
And y square and x.
Square क्यों? Y square. Perimeter में you are adding.
Ma'am, 2y and 4x.
So unlike terms are 2x and 4y, 4x and 2y. And here it will be 2x and 2y square.
Yes.
Yes. So they will be the unlike terms.
Yeah, these are unlike. Can you add it? Can you subtract it? No, na. X or y square hai. X and y hai. On adding monomial to this, the resulting expression becomes a binomial. What will you do? You have minus 2x.
Ma'am, what? I didn't understand the question.
You have to add something so that it will become a monomial. It will become a binomial. Means any one term, if you cancel, it will become binomial, right? So if you add.
Ma'am, minus z. We can add minus z. Minus z.
Correct. On adding a monomial minus z. Okay? Or you can say plus 2x. That is also possible, right? If you add plus 2x, तो ये कट जाएगा and you are left with these two terms. Find any one का opposite sign कर लो. This plus this equal to this. How will you find out?
We will subtract.
Correct. You will subtract from this. Okay. So what you have to do? 5x
Yes.
plus 7y
Plus 7y square
minus, when
minus
you are putting, you will put a bracket, because everything when it comes over here, it will be minus. Okay, so putting a minus means everything is minus, then you shift a minus inside. So what is it? 5x plus 7y square minus 3x minus 23x square minus 6y square minus 2x minus y square. Okay, so 5x minus 3x minus 2x minus 3 and minus 2 5 होता है, cancel हो गया. 5x and minus 5x cancel. 7y square and
Ma'am,
minus
it will
6y,
also cut, ma'am.
it will also cancel. What are we left with? Minus 23x.
minus 23x square.
Okay, true, false, tell me. Is it a polynomial? First one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Polynomial.
Yes, it is polynomial. For being any expression a polynomial, the power should be positive and it should be a number. It cannot be a root power. Then it is a polynomial. Okay. Is it a binomial? Second one.
No, ma'am. It will be a polynomial.
False.
Ma'am, false.
How
It's
have
a
you solved it?
polynomial.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. False.
Trinomial. First you solve it, no?
Minus b.
2a minus 2a, this ये हो गया minus 2b. हाँ, it is a trinomial. ठीक है? Solve it and then see.
Ma'am, solved it only. Yes, sir.
Okay, trinomial can be a polynomial. Yes.
True, ma'am.
Polynomial with, true. Polynomial with more than 2 terms is a?
Trinomial. True.
Trinomial.
No, not necessarily.
False. False.
False.
Can be anything, na? 4 terms भी हो सकता है. So false हो गया. Sum of x and y is x plus y.
X
Yes or
plus
no?
y.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. True, ma'am.
Sum of 2 and p is 2p.
Yes.
No,
nahi, ma'am.
no,
2 plus
no,
3,
no.
ma'am. 2 plus 3.
False.
False, ma'am. False. It
False.
should be 2 plus 3.
Binomial has more than 2 terms.
No, ma'am. False. False. It has
False.
two terms.
False.
Trinomial has exactly 3 terms.
False, ma'am. It has 2 and 3.
True.
Ma'am.
True.
Trinomial has exactly 3 terms. It is true. Tri, na? Tri is 3. In like terms, variables and their powers are the same.
False.
Yes.
False.
Yes. True.
True, ma'am. True. Variables and their powers are same. True, ma'am.
Expression, this is a trinomial.
Yes, ma'am. True.
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 Nahi, ma'am.
Observe the
nahi.
False.
No, ma'am. No. False.
False,
False.
ma'am.
False.
It will become xy
False,
plus
ma'am.
5x.
It is a
will become
binomial.
xy plus
It is a
5x.
binomial, ma'am.
5x plus x is
6x
6x.
plus y.
4p is the numerical coefficient of q square.
Yes,
False,
ma'am.
ma'am.
True, ma'am.
True. True.
False. Numerical
False.
coefficient is minus 4.
Minus 4p.
Acha, haan, sorry.
Number. No, p will not be there. Numerical coefficient they are asking, na? So only minus 4. Only number they are asking. 5a and 5b are unlike terms.
True.
True.
Sum of this and this is.
Sum of this and this is. No, ma'am. False.
False.
X
False.
square plus y square plus x plus y.
Plus
All
y.
are unlike terms. Okay, write the coefficient of x square in the following. Tell me.
Ma'am,
First,
minus x.
Minus x.
Minus
plus
x.
Minus
Minus
x.
x.
पूछा है x square का coefficient.
One.
See, first attempt में answer wrong होता है. Why? See the question properly. Now, second one. X square का
Minus
coefficient.
2. Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
x square का
Ma'am,
कोएफिशिएंट
ma'am plus 3.
Ma'am, 3 and 4 also. No,
it is x cube.
not 4.
Ma'am, y cube, ma'am, y cube, ma'am, y cube,
Y cube.
And 1 also, ma'am. 1.
Find the numerical coefficient of each terms.
The numerical coefficient for each.
हाँ, each
Ma'am, x
बेटा
x cube का is
numerical
ma'am, x cube
one,
का is y
one,
square
one.
and z, y square and z.
Whenever
1.
numerical coefficient is asked, you have to just say number
1.
variable.
1,
1
ma'am,
है.
1.
Here also 1.
One.
Here minus 3.
Minus
Minus 3.
5,
Five.
ma'am, 5. Minus 7.
Minus 7.
5,
Then-
minus 7,
Minus
10,
7,
minus
minus
7,
nine,
minus
2,
9,
So
2
observe the
and 2.
question. Numerical coefficient में only number will be there. सिर्फ coefficient बोलेगा, so whatever is multiplied with that. Okay, like here we had na y cube था, so it will come. When it is not mentioned कि numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient में you will write 1. Okay, number you have to write. Okay, simplify all these questions. First one. Not all question, 1 or 2 will do. Okay, this
Ma'am,
type
which
of,
one we have to do?
just a moment. This
Yes,
kind of
scrolling
question we did last time. Let us do a थोड़ा सा different question है. ये पहले ये करते हैं. From the sum of this, this and this, subtract this. Not got?
Oh my god.
What is the
Can I see
answer?
the answer? 1 plus y square.
1 plus 8 minute. 1 plus y.
वो जो आ रहा है मैम, can you हटाओ फाइट please?
हाँ, वाह वाह वाह, हटाओ फाइट किधर चला
Oh,
गया?
ma'am, it is minus 1 plus y square. Minus 1 plus y square.
ये 2 minute.
No, ma'am, 1 plus y square, sorry.
Ma'am, I'm getting minus x square minus y square plus.
Okay, this answer Amina got.
No, ma'am, 1. It's 1 only, not minus 1.
Okay, other answers.
Ma'am, I'm getting minus x square minus y square plus 2.
Okay. So after addition, how much you got? X square hai minus x square.
Ma'am,
hai.
0, 0,
Ma'am,
and I got.
No, ma'am, I
got
did not
minus
do after
3x square
addition.
minus 2y square.
But you have to add first. It is written
Okay.
from the sum of this. So first you have to add these.
Ma'am, I
And
got
then
different
from-
answer, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I got different
3x
answer.
square
What
minus
answer?
1 minus 2.
Ma'am, I got minus
3x
3 square minus 2y
One
square
by one.
minus 2.
Abdullah again.
Ma'am, minus 3x square
Hmm.
minus 2y square
Hmm.
minus 2.
Okay. Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, I got 3x square minus y minus 2.
Okay. All different answers. Rest of you not getting answer now? Add all three. Okay, I'm doing over here. X square minus y square minus 1. दूसरा वाला है y square minus x square minus 1. And third वाला है 1 minus x square minus y square. Okay, यहाँ पे
Ma'am,
plus.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
my answer is minus x square.
Only minus x square. Okay. Let us see. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel हुआ. Only minus 1. Minus y square plus y square cancel. Only y
Cancel. Then x square and minus x square cancel.
minus x square. Now from this we have to subtract. A minus will go inside. Okay.
Minus 1 plus.
When you are subtracting this, this becomes plus, right? You have to subtract x square minus y square minus 1, put a minus sign and then minus 1 plus y square. Okay. So ye minus or ye minus plus ho gaya. So minus x square minus y square minus 1 plus y square. So ye y square se y square cancel, 1 se 1 cancel. So minus x square is the correct answer. Sufyan got this answer na? So Sufyan, your answer is correct. Rest of you check your mistakes. Mistake pata laga? Everyone?
Acha, ma'am, we did not put the minus sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever subtract likhta hai, you have to put a minus sign. How many times I have told you? Subtract, if I say subtract 25 from 60, what you will do? 60, 25 likhoge, beech mein you will put a minus sign on your own. Kyunki subtract hai. So here also I have to put a minus sign on my own, and already it is a minus sign. So minus and minus becomes plus. So minus and minus plus ho gaya means this becomes plus. So you don't have to do anything. Open the bracket straight away. And no need to change the sign. Okay, this question. Acha, do this now. Same question. Sum of this and this. Subtract the sum of this and this from the sum of this and this. So पहले इसका sum निकालो, ये पहले होना चाहिए, and from this you have to subtract this. Anyone has done?
Ma'am, almost.
Class is getting over quickly. Clear? Is there a question?
Ma'am, can you please go to the question, please?
What was the question number? Do you remember?
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am. The
I got the
answer
answer,
is, ma'am, the answer
Minus-
is minus
Where is
20.
the question? Let me search the question. What was the question number? This was the question number, na? Ye wala tha.
Ma'am, 71. It was 71.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is minus 20ab plus 3b square plus 3a square.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And
my
then-
answer is minus 22ab plus 3b square plus 3a square.
Ma'am, my answer is 7b square plus minus 20ab and plus 5a square.
Ma'am, my answer is 20 AB plus 3B square plus 3A square.
Okay, दो जन का आंसर सेम आया है. किसका किसका है? आमिना है ना?
No, ma'am, it is not minus 20 AB, it's only 20.
अच्छा 20 plus 20 you got. Okay. Okay, let me do it quickly. Sum of this and this. पहले from this
Ma'am,
I
you
have
did not put. Ma'am, you did not put plus in between 20ab and 7b.
Okay, so I have to add these two first. AB plus 2b square plus 3b square minus a square. What is it? 5b square plus ab minus a square. From this, I have to subtract this. So 12ab plus 9ab is how much? 21ab.
21ab.
21ab. And minus 10 and plus 12 is how much? Plus 2b square. Plus 2b square.
Yes.
And minus 18 and plus 14 is minus 4a square. Minus 4a square. Then I will change the sign.
Ma'am,
Just a minute. 5 minus 2 is 3b square. Minus is minus a 21 minus 21 plus
Minus 20ab.
minus 20ab and
Yes.
plus 4 is plus 3a square. So who has got this 20ab? Plus
Ma'am, I got this. No, I didn't
Ma'am,
get.
I got 20 AB.
ma'am, I got the same one.
minus
got this
20ab
Ma'am, I
plus
got
3
this one.
square
Ma'am, I
plus
got
3
this one.
Ma'am, I
This
also
one
got
is
this one.
correct, huh? Abdullah, you got correct answer. Okay. So be cautious in your signs and all. See, so many wrong answers I am getting. If I get this, if I give you this type of question, Sara zero chala jayega. Huh? So do stepwise. Even if you do add and you will get marks. Okay, 1 marks mil jayega. So go stepwise.
Ma'am,
and-
I do not do this way like sign changing. I get confused, so I do like that.
bracket
method.
one, huh? You can do
Yes,
in
that
bracket.
bracket.
But there also you have to put a minus sign on your own and put this. And then you will open the bracket and move the minus sign inside. Is it clear? Any method you can do, whichever is easier for you, you can do that. Okay, so that's all for today's class. All the best. Prepare for your test. Monday is what? What is on Monday?
Science.
Maths.
Ma'am, can you
Science.
send me worksheet for
Science
math?
hai ya maths hai? No, I'm not going
Science,
to.
ma'am, science.
Science, ma'am, science, science.
Enough.
it is science.
Sure.
Yes,
Yes.
you can check the timetable also.
Who was telling maths then? Yes, I have the
Somebody.
timetable. Timetable mein it is mentioned 11 a.m. pe science. Okay. Monday ko 17th January. Chalo, that's all. See you and all the best. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.